Kranti, and regarding that two events, na MIC events.
Yeah. He has
So
submitted the
today
report,
he
Cyril.
completed. Acha, okay. But
Cyril,
photographs, though, like you sent me the photographs, na now. I've also uploaded some of the photographs.
my photographs were for that second session on agriculture innovation. So I think I'll tell Cyril to do a collage of that.
Okay, okay.
All are there. Cyril is there, no?
Oh,
Can't see Cyril.
no, I can't see him.
Yeah. Uh, Ashwini was out or what somewhere?
Yes, yes. He said he is out till 5 o'clock, and after that he will join. But I will call him.
Okay, okay. Actually, he's in charge of alumni, na, so he must be busy with that.
So all the other council PCPs are there in the meeting. How many are there?
Total, I can see, excluding us, there are 13 members, excluding us three. But Ashwini has logged into through two.
Yes, actually I'm presenting also and this also. So that is why two are
Okay,
present.
okay. So actually, I think there are 12 members.
Cyril is joining.
Okay. Staff members have not joined, no?
No, no one.
So we can start the meeting now.
Yeah.
Okay, so first of all, congratulations to all and thank you all, the VCPs and other councils for making quarter 1 and 2 successful. So we are now tomorrow is the last date for uploading all the events of quarter 1 and 2, and we have uploaded most of the events. Only 2 or 3 events are remaining now. Kranti.
Yeah. I'll carry on. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I would. Good evening, everyone. I would like to thank you all once again for the wonderful cooperation you all have given us in the last semester. Without your cooperation, it was not possible for us to finish those quarter 1 and quarter 2 events. Okay, so this time also we have made a schedule. We have written events across the different councils. You can put your dates at your convenience. Only quarter 3 events will be, we have to finish it by 15th March. And quarter 2, we will keep the target as 30th of April. Okay, so from 15th March to 30th April will be, quarter 3 will be up to 15th March. And quarter 4, we'll do it from 15th March to end of April. Okay. So I'll just read out the events right now. So all the events have been assigned. Is the presentation visible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. So today's the first event is the meeting which we are conducting today. The second session will be taken by IQAC. That is a visit to the design center lab. But this visit is not going to be offline. It will be online only. The third event is workshop on prototype process design development. That will be done by CSI. Next is by Professor Hitendra Vaishnav sir. He will be taking one session on business model canvas. So Soham is present here. Soham from production. I think Soham is not there. Okay, we'll have to inform Hitendra sir about it. So that will be taken by Hitendra sir. Then business plan prototype competition will be taken by ACM. Is the ACM VCP present here?
No, ma'am, he is not present, but he has sent me.
Okay, so you can inform him. Okay. So this business plan prototype competition, you will have to finish it. We'll tentatively plan this in the second week of March. Business plan prototype.
Okay, ma'am.
Swati ma'am, it's okay, na?
Yeah, March, no, March first week.
First
Okay,
week or
okay.
second week.
Hmm.
See, the ACM in charge who's present here, I would like to tell you, we just had idea competition recently. So we have selected certain projects. Those projects only will be presenting here the business plan. Okay. So before
Okay,
presenting
ma'am.
this business plan, we will see to that the Hitendra sir will take a session on this. Maybe in this Feb itself, next week only, I will request sir to take it. So once they attend the session, business model canvas, they will be able to present this particular plan. Otherwise, they will not know what to present. So what you have to do is you have to only coordinate and organize this event online. The business plan prototype competition where we'll have internal judges. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
is it fine?
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay, next session is to be conducted by Code Labs. How to plan for startup and legal and ethical steps. Slightly you can deviate from this theme, but try to be in the same lines. Okay. Next session will be for IEEE. IEEE in charge is there here.
Yes, ma'am.
Code Labs also is there, na? I think he's not there. Code Labs. Okay. Okay. Now next session, 8th one, we have just kept it blank. 9th session will be conducted by our student only, Mayank Tanna, who has reached to the finals this time at the MHRD competition. So he will be actually motivating the students and giving the guidelines. How he succeeded in this journey. Okay. So this session will be conducted by our own student Mayank Tanna from DIT. Okay. Then next session, 10th session will be taken by Swati ma'am, which is an orientation session for all students and faculties of institute. Swati ma'am is our innovation ambassador there, so she will be taking this particular session. Next is the quarter 4 meeting, which will be conducted by us. Then session 2 of quarter 4 will be taken by Mozilla. Mozilla is present here.
Yes, I had
Mozilla
seen her. Sahana. I guess Sahana it is.
is there, but or logged out. Okay, okay.
Ma'am, I'm here.
Swati ma'am, this prototype validation, converting prototype to startup, is it related to our projects only
Uh,
or
You're
general
talking
topic?
about second one, prototype validation. Yes, yes,
Yeah,
it is
yeah.
related to the teams who reach to the finals.
So that
So,
session will be for them, na?
but we can organize a general session, but we will make sure that the teams will participate.
Okay, fine. So Mozilla, Sahana, you have to take care of that. The teams which are going to reach, which we are going to shortlist now from idea competition, those teams compulsory have to participate in this.
Okay, ma'am.
Besides that, other students are also invited for the session. Like second years, first years also we can decide whom to take, because for first years, like like it is better we inculcate this culture right from the first this particular session. Now next section is on lean startup minimum viable product boot camp that will be done by ECEL. ECEL in charge is here. ECEL in charge.
Who is ECL ka in charge? Anybody, any other council can tell.
Smith is the in charge for ESL.
He's not there, I think. Okay.
Smith is there, na, and Prajakta Bangai.
But Prajakta is
Okay, we'll have to inform her, Prajakta, about this.
okay. Then next session is by Robocon. Richa is here.
No, ma'am, Richa was unavailable, so I'm attending on her behalf.
Okay. You have to inform Richa that this session now we are already having a speaker.
Okay.
Dinesh Israni sir, we have to contact him and he will be conducting this session. But you have to give the suitable date. So I will give you the contact number. You will have to talk to him.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Then next is by Project Cell, session on building an innovation product fit to market. Project Cell in charge is there here. I think he is not there. Shri, his name is.
Ma'am, I am Soham here. I'll inform Sri.
Okay, Soham.
And
Soham,
also,
I was also discussing about that session by Hitendra sir.
yes, ma'am. So
Fourth
I joined.
session, quarter 3.
Okay, ma'am. Can you just show me once again? Hitendra sir is not available, and I'm also right now in JJ hospital. So, like, can you just show me once?
Okay, quarter 3, the
Got
business
it.
plan session.
Got it. Got it. I'll inform him.
Sir has already, I think SAE, you people have already done this last time.
So session on workshop on business model canvas. That was a very last time, like last year. The video which
That session was,
the video which I
yeah,
made last year for IIC
yeah,
was
right.
like it's a similar topic, but not the exactly same topic. So we can still do it again.
Okay, you can tell sir, okay?
Sorry, yeah, I'll inform. And also for regarding Shri, you can tell me, ma'am. Project cell.
Yeah, Shri's session is basically the 6th session, quarter 4.
Hmm.
Okay, so that session will be conducted by a session on building an innovation and product fit to market. That Project Cell has to conduct it.
Ma'am, do you have any speaker in your contacts? If anyone who has
No,
started. Okay, fine. Just wanted to check.
But
yeah,
right now,
no.
matlab, we don't have, but sometimes we can find out the speakers because last
Sure.
quarters we have helped some of the councils in finding the speakers.
Yeah.
So,
Listen, one suggestion, Soham, since Sri's team has reached to the next round of Yantra,
Yeah, I'm listening.
yeah, so you can tell Sri to contact the Yantra lab. They are very cooperative that way. One of them can take a session for us from IIT Bombay. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
So this is just my suggestion. You can tell Sri to contact that people over there, or he can also tell me. I'm also in touch with the Yantra lab, so I also can discuss. But tell Sri to call me up. Okay?
yes, yes. Ma'am, can you send
Yeah,
this Word
because
You'll be sending this Word document to the group, right?
yes, in the group. But I think Sri is not there in that group. We have to add him.
No, ma'am, send him in that group. I'll share it with him.
No, but actually we are also Cyril, you are here, na?
Cyril.
Cyril?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So you just do one thing. You take Sri's number from Soham and add him into the VCP group.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am. I just
Alan-
added one person from Project
Alan.
Cell. Alan.
Yeah, Alan Xavier is from Project Cell only. He is also the head of Project Cell.
Yeah,
Like,
I've added
Okay.
him. Just added him.
Okay. Then you can just tell him that this is the session.
I inform Sri only. He's the captain. Let him manage the thing. Yes, sir. So it will be much easier to contact.
Yeah, and actually now they are already into this, the Yantra people. Actually, their project also this year is in the same lines, like startup innovation. So I think they'll be able to guide us better.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. The next session is to be conducted by IIIE, the panel discussion with innovation and startup ecosystem. IIIE in charge is here.
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay, so this session has to be conducted by you all. And the last session will be the 8th session, which is an orientation session again by Innovation Ambassador. Professor Roshni also is an Innovation Ambassador for IIC, so she'll be conducting that event. Okay. Anyone is having any doubts?
Ma'am, I'm ECP of IEEE. Just now you
Yeah.
showed the event for IEEE. It is just for first year, ma'am. That 7th quarter 3.
Quarter 3, 7th one. 1 second. No? For first year, we are trying to give, because see this, you can include others also, but we are going to involve first years also in this.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Not necessary that only first year will be there. You can tell other students also. Actually, see, all these sessions are open to all. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So anyone can attend the sessions.
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm from ACM. That business plan or prototype competition, who are the key audience over here?
Business
Like
plan
for
is
whom we are conducting this?
ESL 1 minute. No, yours is lean startup minimum viable product, no? Quarter 4.
Ma'am, ACM, that one.
ACM,
Business
okay,
plan.
okay, okay.
Fifth one.
One second. Yeah, this is basically, see, recently we had idea competition. So in that, actually, there are 2 winners. That is, we have declared first 2 winners, but actually we are going to shortlist another 15 teams. Okay. So those 15 teams have to participate in this business plan prototype competition.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that list whom we are shortlisting will be sent to you all shortly. But you try to conduct this event by first week of March or maximum second week of March. Okay. Yeah.
But we normally for every event we select a particular class. So it is open for all. But we need to have some audience. So we select a particular class, and that audience is also there. They have to attend that particular event. So we, even if it is something such as business plan, or so we create the background first, and then that session is for open for all. Na? So it will not be limited only for those.
So Robin, actually those team members, it is compulsory. Besides that, you can invite other members also.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay, yeah. So those 15 teams will have to do present there, because from there we are going to put them in the next round.
Okay, ma'am, got it. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
yeah. But Soham, just pass the message to Itendra sir, that business model, because we
Yes,
have to
ma'am.
give time for sir to prepare also.
Yeah, by tonight only I'll say, because today he won't be free because his mother's operation is going on, so he'll be busy
Oh,
for two,
okay.
3 days, I guess. Maybe.
Okay, fine.
And last time WI also conducted one event, entrepreneurship related. So that WI ke liye we have not given any IIC driven event, but we can have a self driven event on these lines, inviting a woman entrepreneur or motivating session related to entrepreneurship.
Yes, last time, madam, we had that one event
Hmm.
on Women's Day.
Similar to that, like we have not given one particular IIC calendar event to your council, but we will add your event as a self-driven event, so you can conduct by involving
And
an
we have
entrepreneur.
also planned other events also under the
Yes,
banner of
yes.
IEEE and Y. We will conduct that.
Okay.
Okay, Sushma, then this you can also conduct on the Women's Day.
Yeah, we always do that Women's Day. International Women's Day is under IEEE and Y banner only.
Yeah. Okay. So once you do the events, now you all can report to us. Even your other events, you can just share with us which events you will be conducting.
Yeah.
Okay. One more thing is, like, I have to again request all the councils, your other events also what you're organizing, please share it on the IIC VCP group. in advance once you are finalized with the events, where you have to put the IIC logo?
I can show that form to enter upload the data or to inform us, no? Once the event is conducted. It is open over here in my laptop, and some sample documents. I want to show that. And Cyril, you can contribute and share your experience so that we can improve upon collecting the data. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yeah,
I'll
sure.
present my screen to show the form, and then Cyril, you can just contribute.
Yeah, sure.
So actually, this is a form, and there is a link where all the sample documents are kept. Okay, over to you, Cyril.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Okay, so guys, what we have to do is that here is a program or activity name, which will be the name of the webinar or the program which has been allocated to you by the IIC. And then there is a quarter. Currently, we will be there are just 3 or 4 quarters, 3 and 4. So you have to see from the list which quarter your program is in, and then you have to choose the quarter accordingly. If you guys are doing before March second week, then comes in third quarter. After that, it comes in the fourth quarter. Then program driven by the ones which are given by the IIC, that will come under IIC calendar activity, and the ones which the council are doing themselves, that will be considered as self-driven activity. And then the program type, that you according to your webinar
What is the
or the
MIC?
event, you can choose accordingly. Whether MIC, you don't have to bother with that. It's of our council, you don't have to bother with that. It's either IIC, calendar activity, or self-driven. Anything else?
MIC driven activity is organized by Ministry of Education Innovation Cell. So they are organizing and we just have to participate. So I keep on uploading or giving some information to classes like Toykathon competition or any other session. That is MIC driven activity and we are supposed to do that also. But we are just participating and we are not organizing it.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Okay.
Okay. So then there's the program type where according to your event, you can select any one. And then the program theme, whether it's regarding to innovation or entrepreneurship or startup. If you have any doubts, you can contact me regarding this also. And then the date, the starting date and the ending date of your event. Whether it's a 2-day event, if it's just a 1-day event, you can mention the same dates. And then the total number of days and the number of external participants. That, like, if there is any other students other than the college, you have to mention the number of external participants and the number of students participated. The number of college students from our college participated, you have to enter the number over there. And then the faculty participants, the teachers or somebody else like that who comes, you have to enter the numbers for that. And then expenditure, if there is any cost, if not, then zero. And then any remarks, that's absolutely optional. Whether if you want to give any remarks, you can add that. And then the mode of session delivery. In the current times, it's going to be online, but if in the future, if it gets face to face, you can choose that. And then objective, where you have to mention like what was the objective of your event. You have to mention that, and it should be less than 100 letters. The same with outcome. What outcome did you receive with the event? You have to include that over there, and it should be maximum of 150 letters, not words, letters. And then the star performer of the faculty, which basically means the main person who handled the whole event as a faculty or was just supporting you. And then the report, a sample report would be was shared with you last time also. So you just have to make a report of the whole your event and then upload it over here. And then 2 photographs of the event. While take like when it's online, you have to take 2 screenshots of the event and then upload it over here. And then the poster of your event. And let me remind you once again, like in all the posters, you have to also mention the IIC logo. It should be there on the top right corner of every poster. Whatever event you're going to be doing, you have to make sure that the IIC logo is there on the top right corner of the poster. And then the video, you have to take a recording of your event. It should be either 3 to 5 minutes max. And then you have to upload your video over here. That's it.
And these are the sample documents.
Cyril, one question.
Yeah, sure.
So when we are uploading the video, you said 5-6 minutes, but sometime when we are screen recording at a higher resolution, the overall size of the video is like too large to upload on the like a form. So can I? Is it possible
Yeah, you
that
can
we
send
are
it to me
able to
personally.
share
Yeah.
a Google Drive link on the video because I have to again compress that video and again send it on the form?
If you can you just send me the video if it's personally or by mail or something like that? Even that is fine. Like Drive
Yeah,
would be
but
a
the
bit.
rest of the see, I can send you the video
Yeah,
personally also, but the
Drive is
rest of the
fine,
Google
but
form
I
is
should be able. Yeah, Drive is fine, but I should be able to download it. Like I send you
yeah,
the
you will be able to download it. Just right now on the like, see, what I'm asking is right now on the current form it is showing add file. So rather than add file, can I upload like you can have a text as an answer and I can upload a Google Drive and I'll give you a complete access of that drive which you can download, edit or anything with that file. That's your thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
sure, even
can.
that is fine. But
Uh,
make
we
sure
will
that the
add
video
one
is
more
less
field
than
now.
5.
Then we will add one
Yeah,
more
sure,
field.
ma'am.
Hmm.
Yeah, ma'am, no problem.
Hmm.
Yeah, I
But
got your point.
actually, we need the video file clip also, so that we have to upload it on the YouTube, and we have in the MIC report wherever we are submitting the report, we need to give that link of the YouTube on the IIC channel. On IIC FRCRC YouTube channel, we have to upload the video of the event for 5 minutes, or sometimes it is a entire event, even for 1 hour link, and then that link we have to give when we are submitting the reports. So that's why we are asking for the file here, which
Yeah,
will
ma'am.
be uploaded on
Yeah,
IIC
ma'am.
YouTube channel.
I understood your point. Only my concern was ki when we record at a higher resolution now, the
Mhm.
overall file size is higher. So because of the file size
Okay.
higher, we can directly upload the file. So it will be better if I upload the Google Drive link and I'll give Cyril or anyone who has that link complete access, so he can download, edit, or whenever whatever he wants to do later on with the file. That's it.
Okay, that's fine. We can provide the link. And Cyril, about the sample documents,
Yeah,
uh,
ma'am.
this is the link
Yeah.
for the sample document, and it will open it here. And here there are all sample documents are there. Sample report is there, and then some attendance or feedback, sample feedback, plus some applications to be submitted in the office if remuneration is needed, and even a sample brochure logo is there. Okay, so where you can refer this also for creating your documents.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, so Cyril, if you want to say anything to improve upon or any problems faced, so that we can improve upon in this quarter, you can just tell them.
Ma'am, majorly uh, our council had taken place a little later, so most of the councils were not aware about the video part. So, like the old events, they didn't have the video. So I just wanted to say that for the upcoming quarter, the main things would be to have that IIC logo on the poster on the top right corner. And while sending the video, make sure that it's of 3 or 5 minutes. Some people end up giving the whole recorded video of 1 hour, and then we have to cut short the whole thing. So it takes a lot of time and efforts. So rather, if the council itself can provide it with the 3 or 5 minutes video, it would be really appreciated. Nothing else.
Okay, and the poster also we need in advance, no, to upload it on the IIC social media
Yeah, ma'am.
handles.
Social media handles. So that when they'll be putting it on the BCP group, that I can ask them to send the poster. So that would be fine. But the major things were that, and some people didn't even fill the forms properly. That they would choose the wrong quarters and all. So just make sure while filling the form that you're doing it in the proper manner. If you guys have any doubts, you can contact me personally also. That's fine. But then make sure that you're filling the form correctly, because last time I had to recheck some of the forms because the entries were wrong. So just that's it.
So whenever you finalize your event, so immediately the first task is to create the poster with proper logos and post it in the VCP group, or share it with us, so that IIC people will also publish it on the IIC social media channels for publicity. because we have to provide that link while uploading the reports. For quarter 3 and 4 will be faculty in charge from IIC. Ashwini is matlab we are there. Kranti ma'am and myself is also there, but Ashwini Pansare ma'am is there as a in charge. So Ashwini, what is
I just request everyone to support in the smooth conduction of quarter 3 and quarter 4 events, and I hope everyone will give their full support as it was given in quarter 1 and 2. So everyone is requested to do the same here this time also.
And please report your self-driven events to us. Again, we are requesting. Because it becomes difficult for us to track. So once you have decided any self-driven, you post it on our group. So we come to know that there is a self-driven activity conducted.
and
Okay, ma'am.
As we told you all, it is a college activity. It is for the entire college. So if we are able to upload maximum events, so we can get maximum points for the college.
yeah, I just want to add like this IIC is the interface between college and Ministry of Education that is in association with AICTE. So we are showcasing what is happening inside the institute. So we have to show many activities, as many activities as possible. So that will be considered while giving the ranking to the college and even getting stars. So last year we got 4.5 stars out of 5. And after the end of the fourth quarter, they will evaluate and they may decide about the stars. Now, for quarter 1 and 2, they will give in next month what is your ranking or stars that they may allocate in the next month for quarter 1 and 2. And quarter 3, 4, they will do it together for all 4 quarters. So we need to show as many activities as possible. And for IIC core team, I just want to convey that you keep tracking about MIC events also. So we will have to do the publicity, and maybe it will be organized on YouTube channel or Facebook, and then we will have to accept that activity and upload the reports also for MIC driven activities. So we'll have to keep track about MIC activities.
So Cyril, you also see that activities, okay, in MIC driven calendar.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
Because this time there was a slight glitch in that we could not track it.
Yeah, I wasn't aware of that. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we have to also do that MIC driven because we lose direct 10 points there otherwise.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
and sometimes the activity like this time I thought that Toykathon we have to participate, and our team's participation we have to show like idea competition. But then when the form is opened, and then we came to know that even we can organize the session that is organized by them, and we can join them and participate. So this sometimes like we have to participate also, and we have to organize it also for the faculty and students, that event, MICT event. Okay, last year they had many sessions, only leadership sessions, and some online training sessions, but this time there was competition, so maybe they are changing now their MIC activities. Okay, so we'll have to keep track about it. Okay.
Cyril, one more thing, and to all the members, whoever are present here, please, because at least we don't know if any team has participated, and it's difficult for us to find out. So from your friends, if anyone is aware, if anyone has participated in Toykathon, report to us, please. Are you all aware about Toykathon, which was there?
Toykathon competition, I posted it on CRC, even I told class teachers to share it with the classes. So we don't know how many students have participated, and is there any team participated in Toykathon?
don't know from my side at least.
You don't get in your class group, WhatsApp group. I keep on sharing many things on CRC group. And I expect that that is going to the students and reaching to all the students. So Cyril, we need to find out some good way, or any one of you can suggest a good way, so that such information will reach to all the students of our college.
Ma'am, you can send it to me. I'll share it to the PR head of the college, and he'll share it to the CR group. So all the CRs will put it in the respective WhatsApp groups. So then all the students in the college can access it.
Okay, okay. ठीक है. So I think Kranti, that's all na for today.
Kranti?
I think she.
Ma'am, can we then end the meeting?
Yeah, then we can end the meeting now.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.